It was a foggy October morning on the streets of London. Like every other day, Emma arrived at her small cafe at 7 a.m. The aroma of coffee, the tired faces, and office workers walking with umbrellas made her feel invisible in the crowd. But Emma had a secret identity. She was a writer. At night, she wrote stories, characters, dreams. She poured everything onto paper. But unfortunately, no one seemed interested in her writing. Rejection letters from big publishing houses kept piling up. Even though it broke her heart, Emma never stopped writing. One rainy morning, a foreigner walked in, tall, gentle face, soaked trench coat. "Hi, is this the way to Camden Market?" he asked. Emma smiled and gave him directions. His name was Jack, an American tourist from Boston. That was the beginning. First, just a few minutes of conversation, then hours. He started coming every day. Emma made his coffee, and they talked about everything: books, films, life, and failures. One day, Jack said, "Why do you want to hand your writing to someone else? You could be your own publisher." That stuck in Emma's heart. Jack wasn't just a tourist, he was like a mirror to her soul. They wandered the hidden corners of London together. Standing beside the Thames River, Emma kissed Jack for the first time. But time was running out. Jack's return flight was just 3 days away. Emma's eyes filled with tears. But Jack said, "Just like your dreams, our love is real too. I'm leaving, but I'll wait. Just don't give up." And then he left. Emma sat in her room, tears in her eyes, and wrote the final chapter. She designed the cover, edited the manuscript, and published the book on Amazon. She titled it Letters Across the Sea. In the first week alone, she sold 10,000 copies, then 100,000. BBC, The Guardian, New York Times, her name was everywhere. One day, she attended a book signing in a New York bookstore. Outside was a huge poster of her book, and inside, a long line of readers. At that very moment, someone tapped her on the shoulder. Emma turned around. Jack, holding a cup of coffee, smiling. "Your dreams finally won, and so did our love," he said. They embraced each other tightly,